So our aim is to analyze static codes using open source tools like RATS and FlowFinder. So myself, Ashish Jetwa, and team members are Jury Bombay and Aditya Singh. So our group number is 12. So FlowFinder is an open source uh, tool. Basically, it developed in Python 2.7. It is used to find out bugs or flaws in any C or C++ code. And its main role is to find out potential security problems before released in public forums. So how does it work? So it uses the built-in database of C and C++ functions with well-known problems like buffer overflow risks, format string problems, race conditions, meta character dangers, and poor random number acquisitions. So these are the functions which are targeted by the flaw finder tool. So in this tool, we don't need to create and separate table, database table. It comes within the tool. So based on that table, it tries to find out its equivalent flaw. So basically, it matches the source code text with the database and generate hits based on it, and then it sorts hits priority wise. So it does not understand the semantics of the code and how the flow of the program is working. It just simply performs the text pattern matching algorithm on it. So this is the installation. So for Windows, we need to first install Python 2.7 or Anaconda, and then we need to install Pip FlowFinder library, and then we will download FlowFinder zip file, then extract it. And for Linux, we just need to install we just need to execute the command like sudo apt-get install FlowFinder. I'm going to demonstrate in Linux, so that's why I've mentioned it. So usage is for Windows, we have to we have to first go to the path of the installation and enter the following command: Python FlowFinder path to C program, and on Linux FlowFinder path to C program. And the demonstration will be like. So screen is visible. So I'm going to open terminal, and here I will simply type log enter and so as you can see, I've used the program of Quicksort, and it shows no hits found, and it analyzed in 0.01 second, and speed is this, and no risk is found at this level. So now I will show the program with the hits. So it is this program, FlowFinder employee record system 2. So it shows 15 hits. So basically it is showing, it uses multiple functions like gets, and for that we know that, and that gets function is targeted by the FlowFinder tool. So this shows like here this shows scanf. Scanf is a family star. So this is this scanf function will leads to buffer overflow problem, as we have seen it here. We can see it here, like here. And to overcome this problem, it has given us the solution, like specify the limit to percentage or use different input functions. So that's how we
Can
can
you show the
overcome this.
program as well?
Yes.
Continue better.
So this is the program. Like here, it is using scanf and uses %f, and here scanf %s. So here we can face the problem like buffer overflow problem, or we can, yeah, or we can say that here there is one more problem like file problem. Like if we fetch file from the function, or we do any changes on the that file, so attacker might attack on that file or change that file. So yeah, this is the error. Can an attacker redirects it via SYM links? So force the force the opening of special file type, example device files, move things around to create race conditions, control its accessor. So this kind of problems will happen if we use this function. So it it has not given the solution of for it, and this is how the hits of it will look like 15 hits, and these are the hits level of it. So that's it.